Who'd like to eat this biscuit? Me! Who'd like this biscuit? Me! Now, in order for you to get the biscuit, you are going to come here. Are you seeing? From there. From there. Now, if you have to start from here. That's the numbers you answer. You give us the right answer. Now, what you do here, you skip. Like this is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 will be 6. I can clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You do what you want. Are you together? Or you can dance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 divided by 2. Like that, you give us the answer. And the person who gets everything correct, you come here, you'll find a biscuit or a ice cream, a cone, then you remove 1. Are we together?
Take away 10 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 1 times 0 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't remove. Don't remove. You missed a mark somewhere. Thank you very much. Stand this side. Another one. The second person. We won't tell you your mistake. We shall not tell you, but she made a mistake somewhere. Okay, another one.
Equals 1, 2, 5 multiplied by 3, take away 2 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 multiplied by 0 equals 0. 19 take away 10, 1, 2, 3. 19 take away 10 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Times 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 1, 2. 5 times 3 take away 10 equals 5. Take away 10 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 times 0 equals 0. 19 divided by 10 is 8. 19 take away 10 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 1 times 0 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, thank you. Another one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 1, 2. 5 times 3 subtract 10 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 times 0 equals 0. 19 divided by 10 equals 9. 19 take away 10 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 1 times 0 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 1, 2. 5 times 3 equals 5 times 3 minus 10 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 times 0 equals 0. 19 subtracted by 10 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 1 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 1 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 1 equals 4. Times 0 equals 0.
Who has won? Ama, you take something. You take like 2. You take 2 biscuits and 2 cones.
Thank you, teacher.
Hey, what about others? Now, listen carefully. When you're multiplying, have you seen this one? It was 20 times. Now 20 times 0, it was 0. Or 20 multiplied by 0, we get 0. Are we together? Now that's the same thing. When you come here, 4 times 1. Or 4 multiplied by 1, you get 4. Then again, when you say 4 times 0, what do you get? 0. It's like when they tell you, get 4 pens and multiply them by nothing. You get the point? What do you get? You get nothing because you don't have anything to multiply them with. 4 times 1 times 0, the answer is?
0.
Yes?
0.
The answer is?
0.
Okay, thank you very much.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 divided by 2. 1, 2. 5 times 3 take away 10 equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 times 0. 19 take away 10 equals 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 1 times 0 equals 0.
Competence-based learning. Competence-based learning. You learn by doing. We learn by doing. And with that, at least you have learned something. We have learned that when you are multiplying any number by 0, the answer is 0. Are we together? And that's why any number that you are getting there, be it multiplication or division, you are showing us the answer practically. Not writing it down, but showing it to us practically. And thank you very much, even our dear viewers, for watching Teachers TV
Africa!
Okay, each one, you can pick one biscuit there. Those ones who have participated should pick. If you have participated, pick. Okay, even those ones who have not participated, now you can share. Pick and share. You pick and share. Because she has biscuit. Okay, thank you very much.